Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Megan Rissica and I'm a fashion and lifestyle vlogger. And today I am doing a huge Sephora haul. Look how big this box is. I cannot believe that I purchased this much stuff, but here we are. What's done is done. So let's get started with this haul. I cut this open before I was going to start this video. I don't even remember how much stuff I bought. All I know is I spent $378. So there should be a good amount of stuff in here. I will try to remember the prices, but for some weird reason, Sephora doesn't send the prices of their makeup on their slips. And I just threw that slip on the ground. And yeah, there's literally no prices. So I'm just gonna give you estimates and try my best for the prices. They really shipped a lot of this stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm seeing so many good things. I'm so excited about this. I'm gonna put the box next to me so you can all see my reaction when I'm pulling all of my makeup out. I never spend this much money at Sephora. This is really like a once a year thing for me. I wear a lot of drugstore makeup, so this was definitely a splurge, and I don't even know where to begin because I'm seeing some of the things I bought that I'm really excited about. So the first item I'm going to show you is the Summer Friday Jet Lag Mask. Now this is the mini version. It's only 1 ounce. I actually got 2 of them. I like to give these as gifts or stocking stuffers, things like that. So I like to kind of keep them on hand because this is a great mask to just give people as a gift. Each of these, I remember the price, were $25. This is like an ultra hydrating, kind of like a moisture mask that has a bunch of vitamins in it. And it also gently exfoliates. It's such a hard mask to describe when it's on your face, but I do have friends that use it as a moisturizer all over their face as well. But this makes your skin look really dewy, radiant, and kind of ready for anything. I really recommend this mask by Summer Friday. It's a really good one. Highly recommend. And also, if you've watched my other Sephora hauls, you have seen this product. This is the Tatcha water cream. This is a obviously high-end moisturizer. A lot of moisturizer that are super thick break out my skin, so this one is a really good go-to for me. It's hydrating and lightweight, and it doesn't make me break out, which is a huge thing for me. I have tried the other Tatcha basically creams, and they do not react the same to my skin, where I do get pimples and blemishes as my skin is getting used to the mask. But this is not that way. It's very hydrating and also feels very lightweight on my skin, so that's why I always pick this up, and I always try to pick it up when Sephora has a sale as well, just because it's very expensive. I want to say this is $68 for this size, and last time I bought they had a super size one, so I bought that so it would last me a little longer, so I wouldn't have to buy this as soon. So definitely look out for that larger size moisturizer if they have it, or when they have it again. I hope they have it again. It's a lot better priced, and you get a better value basically for the price. So I had to buy this though because I was running out, and I really love this moisturizer. Next up, this is something that everybody probably knows about. This is the Goof Proof brow pencil. I use shade 2.5, which is a neutral blonde. It's actually on my eyebrows right now, so you can kind of get the color. I've been getting my eyebrows laminated for the past couple months. I've been trying my hardest to grow out my eyebrows, and it's just a huge process. It's something I'm constantly working towards, but my eyebrows, since I've been getting them laminated and using this wonderful eyebrow pencil, has really helped my eyebrows not look so thin. I feel like my eyebrows always look thin, and I know they probably look thick right now, but you can see this is my natural hair color, and my eyebrows are lighter than my natural hair color, but people assume they're darker. So like if I ever get them tinted, they always come out jet black, and it's like a process to not get them to be that color. So I use 2.5 neutral blonde. That's the color I use for my eyebrows. So you can see that it's blonde, but this is not blonde, but it blends very well with my natural hair. So I really do love all of Benefit's pencils. I have used the Precisely brow pencil, which is thinner. That one's really good. This one just kind of like defines like that tail a little bit better. So I kind of like hop between the two, but this is what's on my eyebrows right now. I also purchased this Huda Beauty powder. This is my favorite powder that I've actually ever used. The one thing I will say about Huda Beauty products is they do have a strong scent. So if you don't like scented products, I don't recommend Huda Beauty. It does almost have like a kind of like a perfumey smell to it, but it's not sweet either. I have used Jeffree Star's powder on my face. I actually have it on right now, and his banana shade is a little too yellow for my face. So I'm really interested to see what this banana bread shade in Huda Beauty's color looks like, just because this is like a little bit too yellow for my skin tone. I have bought another color of hers. I want to say it was like Pound Cake was the color I got, I believe, and it was just a little too dark for me. So I'm hoping this banana bread shade is a little bit lighter, but not so yellow. I'm gonna open this right now and I'll tell you how I feel. All right, I just got it out of the packaging. Let's see here. Ooh, I can see the powder. Let's just do a little test on my hand. Oh, I think this shade is gonna be perfect, especially for winter. Like I said, the other one was a little bit dark for me, but this one looks good and it smells the same too. The smell of this is so hard for me to explain, but it smells like perfume. Is the best way to describe the way that it smells. So if you don't like fragrance in any of your products, stay away from all things Huda Beauty, basically. Now that I have powder all over my little outfit here, it's like everywhere. It smells good though, but again, if you don't like fragrance, stay away. The next product that I purchased is the Bye Bye Under Eye Cream from It Cosmetics. This is the first time that I've used this product. I actually got a sample of this when I purchased some It Cosmetics stuff when I was in quarantine way back in March, and I just really liked the way that this cream felt on my skin, so I purchased it. It's supposed to smooth, brighten, and depuff your under eyes. This is it inside the bottle. I haven't been sleeping very well, and I feel like my eyes are getting dark circles and puffy due to lack of sleep, due to stress. But it's all good. So I'm going to be using this tonight, and hopefully my eyes will be rejuvenated after using this cream. And I don't know the price of this. I want to say it was like $38, $40-ish. Again, like I hate that Sephora doesn't give their prices and I don't want to have to pull it up on the website, but this is a good find. I'm also looking at all of this and I bought so much foundation. You guys know that I'm on a search for my perfect shade of foundation, just like the overall best foundation. It's just a process. So I buy foundation when it's on sale or during the Sephora sale to like try out new shades. Next item is this matte Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, and the color is Wedding Bells, and it's supposed to be like a nude pink. You can kind of see the shade color up on the top, so I am going to swatch this on my hand so you can see the shade. This is the Little Bullet. I love the rose gold color of everything that she uses. Oh my gosh, I don't remember this from my pillow talk, but it has little lips on the lipstick. How cute is that? I'm so excited to use. So I'm just going to swatch this on my hand really quick so you guys can see. People told me this was like the best nude color. We'll see about that. It looks a little bit orangey on my hand right now, and I'm wondering if I feel that way because I'm wearing like this rusty colored little loungewear outfit. We'll have to see. So this to me, and it could be with this like rust colored little loungewear outfit, that it looks orange to me, but it is more of like a orangey pink. I really will have to like try this out on my, basically my face. I don't know if I love it. Like Pillow Talk is my absolute favorite. I wear it. It's like my daily wear color. So I don't know if this color is a little too orange. I'm not really picky about lip shades, so we'll see how this all works out and how I feel about it when I actually try it on my face. And this is definitely a high-end lipstick. I believe it is over $40, which is a lot of money, so just keep that in mind. Stick with Pillow Talk if you don't know what shade to get. I just strayed from my usual because I still have Pillow Talk left. This item I have never tried before, but I love Bum Bum Cream and the scent. So this is the Sol de Janeiro perfume. This is also more of a high-end product. I believe it was around $80. I actually have never smelled the perfume before, so we're gonna open it right now and give it a little spray. All right, here it is. I hope it smells just like Bum Bum Cream. This is what everybody tells me. I'm obsessed with this. Look at the little disco ball, so cute. So for $80, you get 1.7 fluid ounces. Let's give this a spray. Oh my God, it's perfect. It smells just like Bum Bum Cream. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. This is such a great purchase. I'm so excited to smell like Bum Bum Cream. Just not even when I use the body mist or the lotion on my legs, but all the time. It's like my favorite scent besides Burberry Brit. This is a very good one. Last up on my haul is all of the foundation that I purchased. And two of them I've never tried before, and one is like my go-to. My go-to is IT Cosmetics CC Cream in Neutral Medium. This is the perfect shade for me all season around, and it makes my skin feel great, but it's still full coverage and also ultra moisturizing. So this is one of my favorite foundation. I'm not going to swatch this color for you just because I have done it on previous videos and I know that I love this product. So if you want me to do a review of this product, I definitely can, or try other IT Cosmetics products for you. So please leave that in the comment section if you'd like to see more IT Cosmetics reviews. I really love IT Cosmetics and I love the CC cream. All right, this product that I have never used before but it was on clearance for 50% off is the Beauty Blender foundation. I got shade 2.20 in neutral. My skin tone is very neutral. It does obviously get a little warmer in the summer, but as we are in winter now, it'll be interesting to see if the shade matches, so I am going to swatch it for you now. I've heard good things about this foundation, but I have never tried it, and I don't know if it's really new. I don't think it's like the newest foundation. I'm not really sure. Let me open it here for you. I think there's something interesting too about the applicator. I think it's meant to be like very blendable with the blender basically. We'll see. So this is the packaging. This looks really different. I don't really know how to use this. I think it's supposed to like, the foundation is supposed to like squirt out of this little bottle, but it comes with instructions. So I'm gonna look at this really quick. Okay, so you have to like unlock it. So you click unlock. I should shake this up because it's been in a box. Okay, so you click over, then at a 45-degree angle, hopefully that's right, you press down, and the foundation is supposed to come into here. Let's see. I just want a little bit. I don't want a lot. Still not going. I'm trying to like, oh, there it is. Oh, I hope it's not too dark. Okay, so then you go like this. I'm gonna lock this so we don't have a spill. Let me try this on my hand really quick to kind of see if the color matches. And under this beauty light, it looks like I did a pretty good job matching. Look, you can't even really tell where it's on. So this is supposed to be full coverage. I'm really excited to try this foundation. Lately, my favorite foundation that I've been using is the Peach Perfect foundation from Too Faced, actually. I got it on clearance from Sephora, and I like went all out and bought like the primer, 2 different kinds of foundation, the lipstick, and the whole system has been good for me. But this seems like a really nice product too. So this is a liquid whip longwear foundation. So and it's supposed to be full coverage. So we'll see how this works out for me. I may do a review of this at a later date. We will see. And last up is Fenty Beauty's matte foundation in shade 2.30. This again is a soft matte foundation. This is the foundation that everybody seems to love. And let me see if I can get this open. It's been a problem on this review. Again, this is a neutral shade. I use Fenty's contour stick, and I've heard really good things about this foundation. So again, this is another one that I'm like looking forward to trying. This is a high-end foundation as well, but I always like to look on Sephora to see what is on like 50% off or clearance, and you can definitely find that like I did with the Beauty Blender foundation. So keep that in mind when you're searching on Sephora. They do have some high-end foundations go on sale, and that's when I scoop it up because I will use it. I never run out of foundation. This is the bottle. It's glass and it's really high quality, which I would expect for something that is supposed to be high quality. I'm going to put this on the other end of my hand to test it out. Okay, here it is. Yep, I think I did good with this one too. This one is a little bit more dark, it looks like, but if I do my spray tan, it should work out just fine, I think. So this is it on my hand. This one definitely feels more full coverage than the Beauty Blender. Just comparing the two together, it's very soft. It is drying very matte, and the color matches pretty well. I think I may have went a little bit too dark. We will see. I'm not going to be doing a review of this because everybody seems to love it and there's a lot of videos out there of this product, but I can keep you updated about how I feel about this foundation because I will be trying it very soon. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will link everything below that I purchased, and I'll also put the price next to each item so you can see how much I spent on the products, even though I did get them on sale. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment any beauty reviews that you would like me to do in the future. I'm always open to trying new beauty products, so definitely leave your suggestions down below, and I will see you next week with another beauty review or fashion haul. Bye. Oh, bum bum cream makes me sneeze.